Welcome to Brainfeed Magazine. From this article, you will learn all about the festival of Bhai Dooj. Let's get started. Bhai Dooj, which goes by many names as Bhau Beej, Bhai Phonta, Bhai Tikka, is a festival that celebrates the special bond between brothers and sisters. Bhai Dooj festival is deeply rooted in Indian culture and falls after the 5-day Diwali celebrations. Let's learn more about the festival of Bhai Dooj. The origins of Bhai Dooj are tied to some interesting mythological stories. According to one legend, Yam, the god of death, visited his sister Yamuna on this day. Overjoyed by his visit, Yamuna prepared a feast and applied a ceremonial tilak on Yam's forehead as a mark of love and protection. In return, Yam blessed her and declared that brothers who visit their sisters on this day would be blessed with a long and healthy life. Hence, the day is also known by the name of Yam Dvitiya. Another popular legend revolves around Lord Krishna and his sister Subhadra. After Krishna defeated the demon Narkasura, he visited Subhadra, who welcomed him with sweets and flowers and applied a tilak on his forehead. This gesture of affection and care gave rise to the Bhai Dooj tradition. The celebrations of Bhai Dooj are simple yet full of love. Sisters pray for the well-being and prosperity of their brothers. The celebration begins with the sister performing aarti and applying a tilak made from vermilion, kumkum, or sandalwood paste on her brother's forehead. Afterward, the siblings exchange sweets and gifts, sharing their happiness. Different regions of India have their own special ways of celebrating Bhai Dooj. In West Bengal, during Bhai Phonta, sisters offer a sweet called Sandesh, which is sometimes decorated with the word Bhai Phonta. In Maharashtra, a delicious dish called Basundi Puri or Khirni Puri is prepared for the occasion. In some places, a coconut or betel nut is placed on a betel leaf and offered to the brother, which symbolizes good fortune. Brothers, in turn, promise to protect and support their sisters throughout their lives. This exchange strengthens the sibling bond and reminds them of their duty to each other. Today, Bhai Dooj is more than just a traditional celebration between siblings. Siblings who live far apart get a chance to visit their homes and spend quality time together. The sisters often go out of the way to prepare their brothers' favorite dishes, and the family gathers for celebrations. The festival is also an expression of gratitude, especially for sisters who often put an extra effort to make the day memorable. In regions like Haryana and Maharashtra, women who do not have a brother worship the moon, known as Chandra, on Bhai Dooj. They apply mehendi as a ritual and perform aarti of the moon. If a brother lives far away and cannot visit, the sister sends heartfelt prayers for his long and happy life through the moon god. This is a reason why in Hindu culture, children lovingly refer to the moon as Chandamama. Chanda, meaning moon, and Mama, meaning maternal uncle, representing a protective figure. So, whether you celebrate Bhai Dooj with grand rituals or simple gestures, remember that the real beauty of this festival lies in the love and care shared between siblings. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned Bhai Dooj highlights the importance of sibling relationships and the love and care shared between brothers and sisters, reinforcing family ties. The festival is rooted in rich mythology and diverse regional traditions, showcasing the depth and variety of Indian culture. The rituals, such as applying tilak and exchanging gifts, symbolize mutual support and protection, reminding siblings of their lifelong responsibilities to each other. We hope you liked this story.